$50,000 with a business line of credit, up to $25,000 with a business credit card. All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about BMO Harris Bank, an underrated bank. This bank offers business lines of credit and business credit cards. Business line of credit up to $50,000, low doc. Business credit card up to $25,000. Now, this is geo restricted, so it's only in certain regions, only in certain states. So you do need to keep that in mind. This is not something that it's available to everybody. So you do have to keep that in mind. This is not something, guys. Let me know in the comments if this is your first time here. Welcome to my channel where we talk about leveraging credit to create cash flow. We talk about business and we talk about finance. All right. So I like 0% interest offers. I like to stack those. So this business platinum MasterCard right here, our low APR, 0% interest for 18 months. That's almost 2 years. This Business Platinum Rewards card is 0% interest on balance transfers for 9 months. Now, the difference is it's only for balance transfers. All right. So a balance transfer is you have some debt on one card or personal loan or whatever it is. You can transfer that balance to this and you pay 0 interest for 9 months. This is on purchases. 0% interest on balance transfers, 18 months, and purchases. So that's the difference. This is the difference. This is a better card, better option. Now, the data points I've gathered is you need a minimum of 650. The higher the score, the higher the likelihood, and the higher the credit limit, obviously. So you want to make sure that you have a minimum of 650, preferably a 720 and above. Also, the business lines of credit. You have to be a minimum of 2 years, in order to get apply for that business line of credit. Again, you have to be in a certain region to get this business line of credit, to get these products. This is not something that anybody can get. So the business line of credit up to $1 million. Minimum is 10,000. Variable interest rates. Obviously, if you get a higher limit over 50,000, you're going to ask for a lot of docs, tax returns. Bank statements. They're going to ask for a lot of documentation. So if you can provide that, that's fine. Just know that they're going to ask for a lot of documents. They're going to verify a lot of the stuff that you said you do. But business lines of credit, 50,000 or below, typically don't require a lot of documents. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. So this is a product that you definitely should reach out to try to get if you're looking to get a balance transfer, great offer, or just pay 0% interest for the next 18 months or so. Guys, let me know in the comments if I'm dropping some gems. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Free Facebook group, link in the description. We talk about business credit. We talk about personal credit. We talk about business. We talk about finance. No spam. We talk about data points. Link in the description to join my free Facebook group. But this is a great bank if you're looking to get some business funding. You can get 0% interest all the way up to 18 months. And then what you can do is you can actually, let's go back to the credit cards. What you can do is you can double back. So what you can do is get the business credit card at 0% interest for 18 months, the one that was 0% interest for 18 months, and then get the other business credit card and transfer that balance if you weren't able to pay that debt off. You can transfer that balance from the one that's 18% and get another 9 months. So essentially 18 and then another 9 months at 0% interest. Guys, let me know in the comments if I'm dropping some gems. That's my time. My name is Toby Rosario. Peace.